Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Ryan, and today I'm going to have a cardiac stress test. Believe it or not, I'm a cardiologist, but I've never had a stress test, even though I've referred lots of people for one, so this is very exciting. I'll get to see what it's actually like. And then we'll use the stress test as an opportunity to talk about the cardiovascular response to exercise. This is also a chance for you to see what's involved in doing a cardiac stress test. It's a very common test that we perform on patients to evaluate chest pain and shortness of breath and other symptoms that might be related to the heart. So let me show you some of the equipment I've got to wear as the patient having the stress test. You can see I've got the EKG leads hooked up to me, and there is a machine we'll show you in a minute that's continually monitoring my EKG. I've also got a blood pressure cuff on so that my blood pressure can be monitored while I have the study performed.
My name is Carrie Cipriani. I am a nurse practitioner in the cardiology department. I am here to supervise Dr. Ryan's stress test. Part of the supervision is to monitor his heart rate and his blood pressure and ensure that they're appropriate for exercise. I also watch his EKG continuously to make sure that there aren't any changes that are concerning for heart problems, and assess his symptoms during exercise, again, to make sure he's not having any heart problems.
My name is Evelyn Quintana. I'm one of the cardiovascular technologists in cardiology. In helping Dr. Ryan have his stress test today, I will be prepping his chest for EKGs and getting him situated on the treadmill, monitoring blood pressures and O2 sats and reporting them to the nurse practitioner in the room. And basically just keeping the patient informed as to when the treadmill will increase in speed and elevation. Okay, Dr. Ryan, we're going to get you up onto the treadmill now. Way up top. You're going to hold on to these front handlebars there, and I'm going to put an O2 oximeter on your index finger. Hold on very lightly with this left hand. Always look straight ahead and never down.
Okay.
Okay, Carrie, we can start. As soon as the treadmill starts moving, you can move your feet right along with it. And as a reminder, every 3 minutes, the treadmill gets faster and steeper.
Okay. So Dr. Tom Menger is my primary care doctor. He has told me I'm in good general health. So if I have a cardiac arrest during this study, make sure to take that up with him. So I'm doing something called a Bruce protocol, created many years ago by Dr. Bruce. It's a speed and inclination in a series of stages that patients go through. It gets steeper and faster every 3 minutes. I'm in stage 1 right now. And the idea is to get the heart rate up and make the heart demand more oxygen. And if there's a problem delivering oxygen to the heart, that problem will be uncovered as I go through harder and harder stages on the treadmill. Symptoms that people can develop if they have a heart problem are tightness in the chest, which we call angina, or shortness of breath. Obviously, everyone gets short of breath with exercise, but it can be out of proportion to what's expected. So Evie's measuring my blood pressure now. We do that once during each stage of the Bruce protocol in a stress test.
126/72.
What level is I at? 3?
Yes, 3.
All right.
Dr. Ryan's at stage 3 of the Bruce protocol. He's walking at 3.4 miles an hour with a 14% incline. We expect to see his heart rate increase with each stage as well as his blood pressure. We use his predicted maximum heart rate, which is 220 minus his age, and then we take 85% of that. At 85% of his predicted maximum heart rate, that's considered a maximal or optimal stress test. So let me know when you're ready, and I'll let you start running.
This
okay?
is 4?
This is 4.
All right.
Do you want to run, and then maybe we
so
can get your heart rate up a
Yeah,
little
when you
bit
go
more?
up to the next stage, I'll run for a minute,
Okay.
and then we'll stop.
Okay.
It's not the speed, it's the incline that makes it so hard.
Yeah.
This is not an exceptionally fast speed, but it's very steep.
So Dr. Ryan, you've achieved your target heart rate. How are you
Excellent.
feeling?
I'm feeling like I'm getting tired. All right.
Ready?
Good? Yeah.
We're gonna slow you down, keep walking with it. It'll slow down and then stop. 94% O2 set of peak exercise.
Excellent. Lungs work. Am I going to live?
I think you are.
EKG looks okay.
EKG was fine.
His EKG stayed perfectly normal the entire time that he was exercising, so it looks like Dr. Manger was right.
160 over 76 at peak exercise.